Well, it's Australia Day on the TV, live on the ABC in Thailand. This morning, we're doing another product test. We've gone from the Moccona Trio Gold, Moccona Trio Classic. We're now on the Birdy Robusta 3-in-1. Now, coffee connoisseurs will know the Robusta bean is purported to be of a lower quality. But we'll find out how we go, and we'll see how we make a 3-in-1 coffee. First of all, you put the mix in. It's a 3-in-1 mix. That means it's got coffee, and it's got milk, and it's got sugar. You put it in here. You add boiling water. That's important for the water to be boiling. It's important to give it a stir. And let's taste test for the first time for me the Birdy 3-in-1. Tastes a lot like the Moccona, and it's nice. Thanks for stopping by. Cheers.